There are many situations where we need to connect the tail or head of one pipe to the tail or head of another. In this example, there are two piping segments located upstream and downstream of the PSV valve. Although they are directly connected, they have different line numbers. In some cases, they may also have different services and piping classes. So, in situations like these, we need the flexibility to connect a head to a tail to a head, or any other required combination. Different line numbers, different piping classes, different services. To connect two different piping lines, use the following command. Here, PH or pipe head refers to the head of the first branch, which is the branch currently selected in the Explorer. PT or pipe tail refers to the tail of the second branch, whose name is specified in the command. In the hierarchy, select the branch whose head you want to connect. Then enter the command using the format above. After pressing Enter, the head of the selected branch will be connected to the tail of the target branch. However, if you open the Connect window, you may notice that the connection is highlighted in yellow, indicating a connection error. So, what's causing this issue? The problem is usually related to the connection types assigned to the connected head and tail. Let's look at the first branch. It starts with a flange, which means it should connect to a gasket. Therefore, the head connection type of the first branch should be set to gasket RF 150 pound. Now check the end of the second branch. It ends with a gasket, so it requires a flange to connect to the next component. Therefore, set the tail connection type to flange RF 150 pound. Once these connection types are corrected, the warning disappears and the connection becomes valid. And that's it, problem solved. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support helps us create more practical engineering tutorials and educational videos in the future.